starting the project of painting all the chairs in here today. I'm probably going to paint the whole table. We're still thinking about the table, if we're going to paint it all white. We're painting the chairs white, but not a bright white. It's going to be like the white on that thing right there, and the white that we have around the doors and all. The white around the doors and everything is called sandy clay. We thought we had some sandy clay paint here, but turns out we don't have any. So we're gonna have to get either some more sandy clay, or it doesn't matter if it's, you know, exactly that, just something similar. I'm still trying to decide if we want to paint the table. I'm thinking for sure we'll paint the legs, but the top of this table needs to be redone, and Titus is going to redo that for me at some point. So I'm not sure if we even will worry about painting the top of it, because I always have a tablecloth over it anyway. Sanding must be a fun thing for kids, because I started doing this and then everybody else started grabbing sandpaper.
I didn't grab one.
Okay, we got the chairs sanded. I went ahead and put just a little, it's not on there permanently, I just put it on there to see how that was going to look on the cushions. So now we're just going to wait until we get the paint. I'm not going to go this afternoon because I don't have time to go get the paint and cook supper and all that before church. So we'll get the paint either later tonight or tomorrow. Now I'm going to clean and organize the coffee station.
Almost everything.
We gotta get off this part.
And on the very bottom. Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and dust these shelves too before I put the oil on the coffee station. This is what I use. It's this Howard Feed and Wax Wood Polish and Conditioner, Beeswax and Orange Oil. It smells really good.
More fantastic. Famous recipe steaks.
What butter up?
When y'all got back, where did y'all go?
We had to run up there and get a radiator, everything to change the oil, fuel filters, and everything else. Tyler's over here changing his radiator.
That thing shoots out far.
Yeah, it does.
making a hamburger hot dish for supper tonight, also known as homemade hamburger helper. Just got some pasta cooked up over here. I've got spirals. I didn't have elbow macaroni. I've just got some spirals in here. I'm about to drain those. We've got the ground beef, and it's just about done. I just added some onions to it. I'll drain the pasta real quick while that's finishing up. I'm just going to put the pasta right back in this pot because that's where we're going to mix everything up at. Okay, ground beef is done. We're going to drain it real quick. Alright, we're putting salt and pepper. A little bit of celery salt. And I have a can of chili starter that I'm going to use. It's just crushed and diced tomatoes with red and green peppers. Mix that all together. Okay, I'm going to put in a little bit of beef broth, probably about a 1/4 cup. And we're going to put some garlic powder, just a little bit of dried oregano. You can use parsley if you have dried parsley instead. Okay, now we're just going to put this in the pot with the pasta. Do we have it already shredded? Okay, yeah, we can do mozzarella. Okay, let's see. Jonah's already tasted it. He said it's good. It's really good. The way I did it this time, it's kind of like chili, spaghetti mixed together with spiral pasta. It is 5:18 now. We're getting ready for church. I'm making some coffee real quick. I don't always want coffee in the evenings, but every now and then I get in an evening coffee mood. Okay, Manly's in there singing Silent Night. I'm just gonna use this cream that we got from the creamery and maple syrup for my coffee. I don't have any other creamer right now. Me and Sissy are back here straightening up the Sunday school room. Manly's practicing the piano in there. I didn't know the Little Red Hen was in here. Is this this might be some of the books that Robin gave us, is it?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Mr. Putter and Tabby picked the pears. What's the matter with Job? A lot. Poor Job. Everything ended up all right though.
What are y'all doing?
We're cleaning up and organizing stuff.
Are there any Jungle Books?
Jungle Book. I don't know.
Oh, hold on,
Jungle Book.
Noah. Tabby picked the pears.
Sissy, you might like this one, Friends on Ice.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think you'll like this one, Sissy. You can check this one out.
Jungle
We're having
Book.
like a little church library.